Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Looking for a cute way to display your plant babies? Then these stained glass hanging propagation planters from LITMIND are adorable and just the thing. They are carefully handcrafted and they add a beautiful pop of color to any space. I love the small size. It makes the perfect home for your little baby plant cuttings while they're growing their new roots. You just simply fill the tube with water and pop your little cuttings in. I love that they are translucent, so they really allow the light to shine through, and they come in a whole bunch of color options so you can find your favorite one. Each planter comes with 2 glass tubes, a sturdy chain, and a suction cup hook, which I found actually really holds them nice and securely. You can hang these inside on a window, a wall, even the refrigerator for an instant propagation station. They're also perfect for outdoors, in the garden or patio for a splash of color, and to really catch the sun and reflect that beautiful stained glass color. This would make an awesome housewarming gift or just the thing for someone like me who can never have too many plants. And that's my point of view.